Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chris in Tennessee on the new Ranger RCI 69 base. Chris got you fixed up, ready to go, bud. Took out them little dim lights, put these ultra bright white LEDs in here for you. Unlocked the clarifier for you. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and it's ready to go. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down. Go to AM mode, 50 watt slug. Got you about 1.5 watts all the way down. Right at 15 all the way up, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Show you average power swing. Low, about 30 bird or so. 100 watt slug in PEP. Low, about 98 PEP. Go over here to sideband. You don't do quite as much on sideband. Low, about 88 on sideband. Alright, Chris, looking forward to meeting you tomorrow. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.